The latest on that trial of a socialite accused of killing her ex-husband with a car bomb. Revealing voicemails from defendant Pamela Phillips heard in court for the first time on Thursday, and ABC's Ryan Owens is tracking the case from Tucson. Good morning, Ryan.
Good morning to you, George. 18 years after that car bombing at this country club and gated community, today the state will rest, and they are ending with what they believe is their strongest evidence, Pam Phillips's own words.
I wanted to tell you thank you, because you're a great friend.
The voicemails start out sweet, but grow desperate fast.
The other thing is that it looks like the money is gone.
It's the first time the jury has heard the voice of accused murderer Pam Phillips in a series of messages the Aspen Socialite left for her one-time boyfriend, convicted hitman Ron Young.
I'm not able to send you any more money. I mean, we need to talk about this.
Prosecutors say the 56-year-old agreed to pay Young $400,000 to kill her ex-husband, Gary Triano. Young kept his part of the bargain and is now serving life in prison for planting a fatal pipe bomb in the real estate developer's car at this Tucson country club back in 1996.
I remember saying to him, oh my gosh, she really did it.
Even though Pam Phillips got the $2 million life insurance policy with a new home in Aspen and globe-trotting vacations, those millions didn't last. The monthly payments to the hitman dried up. A frustrated Young started recording their conversations.
You know what? I'm just aggravated. Will you just leave me alone? Just leave me alone.
So I'm bothering you.
Right now you are. I've got to go. I've got kids down at the pool. I have to be back for company at 4 for Lois's birthday.
For some help with so you get rich. So
will you leave me alone? Goodbye.
Phillips never admits to committing a crime on these tapes, and she's pleaded not guilty.
when you sit in a women's prison for murder, you're going to be really sad.
I'm going to be back at 4.
No, you're going to be in prison for murder.
The tapes in the state's case, the defense should begin later today. Among their first witnesses, Ed Kinnear, father of Oscar-nominated actor Greg Kinnear, who ironically plays a criminal defense attorney in his new Fox series, Rake. The state's case took all of 2 weeks. The defense is expected to take at least twice that long. George, they have an astounding 103 witnesses on their witness list.
Wow, a lot to get through. Okay, Ryan, thanks very much. ABC's Chief Legal Affairs anchor Dan Abrams back with us right now. Pretty powerful cap to the prosecution's case there, those voicemails.
Oh, absolutely. Getting to hear her own voice. Now, she doesn't actually confess on those tapes, but she certainly makes incriminating statements. This is the key to the prosecution's case. They need to link her back to Ron Young. Because remember, she's not alleged to have actually been there or planted the bomb. She's the one who they say ordered it. So the key is linking her with audio tapes, with records, with things that were found in Young's van, etc.
So pretty strong link. What does the defense do now?
Over 100 witnesses. Why? Because they want to point the finger at someone, anyone else. The key to the defense is going to be, look at all these other people who hated this guy. Look at all these other people who were involved in business deals gone awry with this guy. What about this possible suspect and that possible suspect? They want to present reasonable doubt. When I first heard, the idea at the beginning of this case, they're going to have all these witnesses. I think, what are they going to do? And then I'm thinking, okay, they want
throw a million things
exactly.
out
Now, I don't think they're going to call all 103 witnesses.
But
by the way,
the prosecution does have another advantage. This has been tried in civil court, and she lost.
Well, that's right. So in the civil court, it was a personal case, meaning now you've got the government against her. So very different standard of proof. But she's seen all of this evidence before her again. And she lost in a civil court. And this is going to be a very tough case for her to win in the criminal court as well.